So hello guys and welcome back to my channel. This is Amir Kirtikar and I'm a first year MBBS student at GMC Mumbai. And the other day I was just thinking about that October is going to be the last working month of my first year. And first year MBBS just flew away by my side, and soon, like hopefully if COVID and all is under control and all, soon I'll be done with my exams in within 2-3 months, and then I'll be into my second year MBBS. And technically speaking, I'm almost a year through this medical life. According to the schedule what is planned by the college, in November we are going to have revision practicals, and we are going to have revision classes and preparatory leave. December is the prelims, and January is my actual university exam. So I was just thinking that I've, through my vlogs and all of that, I've shown you all the merriment and the fun part of medical life. Like today let's talk about the other side of medical life. And now honestly speaking, other side is not going to be something like where I'm going to tell you that medical life is hard and it is like, no, that's not what that's not this video is about. This video is going to be about the things what I've learned through the other side of medical life, which is something more serious just than fun and the other activities. Number one, let's talk about the studies. See, you'll hear thousands of things about, like, studies are so difficult, so they're huge and all of that. But technically I'll be speaking about the studies more confidently once I'm done with my actual university exam. But so far what I have deciphered, what I have learned through my process of this 1 year is that if you are sincere with your studies, then then it's not difficult. I just feel that consistency and sincerity is something which is more demanded in the medical profession, because the studies are vast. They're indeed vast, but they are not very impossible. They are doable. You can always do them, because people yet top universities, people yet score great, people, and not just for scoring, people are yet good doctors, good clinicians, good surgeons and all of that. And for in this thing I really respect Anuj Pachil sir, who is another fellow YouTuber, and he's a great source of inspiration for me. And that is what about studies, that if you are consistent with your studies, if you have decided that let any damn thing happen in this world, I'm not going to give up on my studies, and I'm going to dedicate 2 hours after coming home from college to whatever I have to study. So that's the first thing what I've learned about studies. And the second thing what I feel is, when you enter medical college, there's a kind of identity crisis. And what is that identity crisis? So first of all, I was hearing, I'll tell you a short story about this. I was hearing a song by Taylor Swift that day in the train, that is called as White Horse. And there is a sentence in that song that this is a big world and that was a small town. And that is indeed true. Medical life, the medical card, or the medical thing is actually a big world. Your college is going to be a big world, and there are going to be hundreds of people other than you in there. And what we have been through, that school, junior college and all of that, that was just a small pond, okay, and this is like an ocean. Because here when you'll come, nobody will be knowing you. First of all, you may be very great, but nobody will be knowing you. Secondly, your teachers, like in school and all, our teachers knew us personally. In medical college, nobody knows you personally, and there are, even till the end of the year, it's only the top people and the bottom people whom the teachers know. But this is what you have to do in medical life. You have to create an identity for yourself. And I really feel happy that there are a few teachers who know me personally, and that gives me a sense of accomplishment, that I did something, I was sincere with my work. That's why the people here know me today, and that itself is so great for me. And I just feel that and sincerity is not just like scoring great marks and all of that, but this is another thing, that identity crisis. You have to create your own identity. Nobody knows you, and nobody's going to, like, you enter the college and everybody's going to respect you and all of that. No, you're going to be new to this whole system, and the first few months are just going to go in acclimatizing to this. The third thing I want to talk about is that imposter syndrome thing what we all have. Like at least I had, because I am a person who has some amount of self-doubt. Like whenever I go through hardships, I really rethink that, yaar, mere se sachi mein ye main kar paunga kya? So you always think that, oh my god, how did I land up in this? Then you have that imposter syndrome thing. जब भी हमें लगता है यार नहीं यार, I don't deserve this what I'm getting, like many a times. And sometimes even through comments and all, being on social media ain't easy, because there are 10 people who will appreciate you, but out of that there will be a few, like one or two of them, who will bash you down. And unfortunately, like our psyche, our mind is programmed in that way that we don't look at the 10 people who are appreciating us, rather that 2-3 people who are bashing us down, that hurts us. And this has given me some bad days. Like I have had my share of like, you know, that those days where I'm really thinking cognitively and like, you know, thinking and thinking ki, will I ever make it as a doctor? So this doubt is always going to stay in your mind, like if you how much of a sincere you are, that will you make it as a good doctor, and that imposter syndrome thing is going to be there. But ultimately I feel that for me at least doesn't last for more than 1 or 2 days. That flows away, and that's the beauty of medical life actually. You know, no emotion is constant. You know, you won't be depressed for like a whole semester, you won't be depressed for like 1 whole year. You will always move on, life will move on, and that is another thing. And also, other than that, I feel that missing your family events and missing your family fun. Anyways, because of COVID, we did not have a lot of family events and family fun, but even then I have missed my family. Like I really pity my friends who are hostelers, that they don't get to go home for 2 months, 3 months and all of that. Though because of COVID, they got a substantial amount of time with their family. But now I think that even when I'm a localite, I do not get a lot of time with my family. I'll tell you honestly, the most difficult month for me was August 2021, because in August I had my exams coming in September, and मेरा ऐसा होता था कि एग्जाम्स के और कॉलेज होता था मॉर्निंग 7 o'clock को मैं निकल जाता कॉलेज के लिए, घर पे आते थे 6:30 हो जाते थे, तो दिन भर तो कॉलेज में निकल जाता था. तो नाइट टाइम वॉज द ओनली टाइम आई हैड विथ माई सेल्फ फॉर स्टडिंग. एंड वॉट यूज टू हैपन इज दैट मैं घर पे आता था 6:30 तक, फिर थोड़ा फ्रेश होता था, कुछ खा लेता था, खाना खाकर मैं आई यूज टू ईट एट 7 o'clock, 7:30 एंड यूज टू गो टू बेड एट 8 o'clock. मैं 8 o'clock को सोने चला जाता था, एंड मैं ऑलमोस्ट 12:30 को उठ जाता था, 12:30 को. एंड तभी जब मैं उठ जाता था, मेरे पेरेंट्स सब लोग सो गए रहते थे. एंड देन आई यूज टू स्टडी फ्रॉम 1 o'clock टू 5 o'clock एंड ऑल ऑफ दैट. देन आई यूज टू अगेन स्लीप फॉर 1 hour, एंड 6 बजे उठकर मैं लाइक कॉलेज की तैयारी करके कॉलेज के लिए निकल जाता था. तो आई हैव रियली मिस्ड बीइंग विथ माई फैमिली. एंड Sundays आर द ओनली डेज आई गेट some time where I make my YouTube videos, where I talk to my friends, my sisters and all of that, and I really miss that. So this is another thing what you'll experience here. Another thing is burnout. Burnout तो बहुत होता है यार, honestly मैं बोल रहा हूँ, बहुत burnout होता है. because if you, I'm telling you ना, but ये सब जो, अगर तुम्हें ये सब चीज़ें फील होगी ना आने के बाद, consider yourself that we have been sincere with our medical life. Why? Because if you are not sincere, if you do not take your stuff seriously, then you will never feel burned out. बर्न आउट तभी लगेगा जब तुम एक्चुअली उसमें एफर्ट्स डाल रहे हो. तो आई जस्ट फील दैट दिस इज ऑल्सो लाइक दिस इज ऑल्सो पैट ऑन माई बैक, कि मुझे फील हो रहा है, इसका मतलब मैंने कुछ तो सिंसियरली किया. एंड लाइक बर्न आउट की बात करता हूँ, तो आई जस्ट फील दैट कभी some days you feel so damn exhausted that like there have been so many days I've slept on this, like मैं पढ़ते पढ़ते सो गया ये बेड पर, and morning 5:30 6 o'clock my mom has woken me up that यार तू ऐसे ही सो गया है, like all of that. So that will happen, that is surely going to happen. But when I look at all of this, all these, the other side of the med school, and there are other factors also, like, you know, hostelers have their own share of struggles, like they have to manage and you know, I'm telling you now, in medical life you are all by yourself. ऐसी नहीं है कि you have your parents or you have your siblings and all, जो आपको मतलब बोलते हैं ना, who will, like of course mentally they will keep you afloat, but वहाँ पे जाकर तो तुम्हारा स्ट्रगल तुम्हें ही लड़ना है हर रोज़ सुबह जाकर कॉलेज जाकर तुम्हें ही तुम्हारी चीज़ें करनी है. बट या गुड फ्रेंड्स, गुड कंपनी, गुड पीपल around you will always keep you mentally happy and will keep you going throughout your medical. So another suggestion for all the juniors watching this, choose your circle very wisely when you are into medical life, and be with the people, like, you know, birds of the same wing flock together, remember this thing. But when I look at all of these hardships, and I know, like, I don't regret having them, because I feel that this is what I've chosen and this is a part of what I've chosen. So I'm indeed very happy, because I feel grateful about the fact that, you know, I get to be that part of the society which saves life. I'm learning something so noble, that which is going to save lives of people tomorrow. And so that's all for today. And I just feel that, though, like I've told you about all these things will happen with you, but don't give up. That's the first thing. And second thing, trust the process. because I'm telling you that all of this is going to lead you to a day where you become a doctor. And like NEET was a difficult journey, not that this is going to be easy journey, but of course this journey is going to be a more interesting one than NEET, because NEET was just like a very, you know, it was just like a very one track thing. Now this is not going to be one track thing. Here you have to form your own path. यहाँ पे तुम्हें खुद के लिए सोचना है, तुम्हें खुद के decisions लेने हैं, तुम्हें खुद के लिए एक रास्ता बनाना है which will take you to your dream of becoming a good doctor. So this is all for today. All of those who are medicos, irrespective of whether you are in MBBS or any other medical course, and all of those who are aspiring medicos, all of you are like, you know, we have to stay together, and guys, like, we will make it. We need to trust that thing. So all the best, and this was all for today. If you like the video, don't forget to like, don't forget to share it with your other friends, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I come up with new videos about all these like medical related topics, and I also make music on my Instagram account, so just check it out. I'll drop the link in the description. Till then, see you all in the next video. Take care. Until next time.